Okay, guys. So two rent. Rent how much?
600, sir.
But outstanding rent also is there, no?
Yes, sir.
Guys, all of you go to adjustment. Following our outstanding as on 31st March 2013. Printing 75,
100, sir, outstanding.
rent 100. So outstanding, what shall we do?
Plus add
Yes. So outstanding should add, prepaid should deduct. Outstanding 100. So 700. Okay. Yeah. And also, sorry, 700. Outstanding rent is there 425. See, go to balance sheet, guys. Go to balance sheet, all of you. That is outstanding rent means previous year. Okay. Now we are preparing income and expenditure account. Right. We will consider only revenue nature and only for current year. Okay. Only current year. So outstanding rent, it is there in balance sheet liability side 425. So that is for last year. Last year rent. Am I right, guys? Agree,
yes,
everyone?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
because that is mentioned in the balance sheet, old balance sheet. So that belongs to last year. So now we can direct. Rent for 2012. 425. Now 700 minus 425. How much, Amma?
275.
275. Am I right? Right? 475. Guys, understood?
Yes,
Next,
sir, understood.
next to printing. Much? 150. Okay. Due how much? Due how much, Amma?
Sir,
75, sir.
outstanding 25, sir.
Right. So 150 minus 75, how much, Amma? Outstanding plus, not minus, because this year outstanding, no. Following our outstanding as on 31st March 2013. This year outstanding, 13 outstanding. So should add 150, 75,
225.
220, 275. Sorry, 225. Okay. Okay. Next to printing. Sorry, printing completed. To advertising. Advertising how much?
200, sir.
200, sir.
200. Next, sundries.
55, sir.
55, sir.
55. Okay. So government securities 2500.
Yes, sir. We have interest on security.
Yeah. So that government securities will not mention in the expenditure side. That is asset. Okay. Now you are preparing income and expenditure account. No. Government security asset. Though paid for securities, but that is capital nature. Furniture 400 asset. Government securities asset. Right. Library books asset. Cost of entertainment also asset. Okay. Understood? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but go to receipt side. Sales proceeds of old chair 75, book value 100. So that cost of old chair 100 worth. But we sold out 75. Is it loss or profit? See that furniture value, that chair value is 100 book value. Right, actual value
Loss, sir.
100.
Loss, sir.
But we sold at 75. It means loss. How much loss?
25, sir.
25, sir.
25 is loss. Very good, guys. Thank you for your response. Loss on sale of old chair. So that is 25. How 25? 100 minus
100
7.
minus 75, sir.
Okay, 25. So expenditures are completed. Now see the income side. Subscription. Guys, go to receipt side. Right. So payments, expenditure, receipts, income. Right, income side, subscription 2500.
Yes, sir.
Subscription 2500. Okay, yeah.
Outstanding 325.
Guys, following were outstanding as on 31st March 2013. It means all outstanding for this year. So printing completed, rent completed, interest on securities also completed. No, we'll see that. And subscription 325. Okay, outstanding for this year. What shall we do?
Add, sir.
Add. $325. So 2500, 325, 2825. Okay. Go to last year. How much outstanding subscription? Go to balance sheet.
400, sir.
Very good. 400. That is, what shall we do? It is add or minus?
Minus, sir.
Ma?
Have to deduct, sir.
Minus, because that is for the last year, no? Last year you should deduct. Correct? Last year. $400. So now 2425. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So subscription completed. Next receipt, proceeds received from entertainment and lectures 1000. Okay. So any adjustment, Amma?
No, sir.
It is there. How we see proceeds from entertainment? It means income from entertainment is 1000. But for entertainment, how much cost they incurred? See, you received income from entertainment 1000, but for entertainment you have to incur some cost, that is 750. Cost of entertainment 750 is there, no?
Yes, sir. It's there, sir.
Right? Guys, all of you
Yes, sir.
understand?
Payment
Understood?
side.
Yeah. Hello? Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
What about others, guys? Girls? Income
Yes,
from
sir.
Income from entertainment 1000. We received income from entertainment. Proceeds received means income received from entertainment 1000. For that entertainment, this society club, musical society club, expenditure incurred to entertainment, that is the cost of entertainment 750. So 1000 income but cost 750. 1000 minus 750, 250 is the income. One thousand. Cost of entertainment. $750. How much, Amma? 1000 minus 750? 250. Okay. Entertainment completed. Interest on securities 475. Alright. See, that
Yes, sir.
is it income, right?
Outstanding 150, sir.
Perfect. Interest on securities. Interest on securities 475. Right. This outstanding, this year outstanding plus
150, sir.
outstanding. One second. Interest on securities 150. Yeah. $150. So 475, 150 how much, Amma?
625, sir.
So 475 plus 150, that is
25.
625. Okay. And go to old balance sheet. Is there anything? Accrued interest is there? No. That interest is nothing but interest on securities only. Okay.
Sir.
That is for last year. Last year's means obviously you can deduct. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
So 125 is given in the old balance sheet. In the old balance sheet means that all amounts belongs to old years, previous years, right? 2012. So last year deduct it. Okay. So minus accrued interest. Boys, understood? 125. 500. Guys, is it clear, guys? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, interest on securities completed. Entrance fees received 500. Okay. So entrance fee received 500. It is a less amount. So we can take in income side. By entrance fee 500. Okay. Guys, is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the total? Is there anything pending? What is the surplus or loss? So 2425 plus 250 plus 1000, that is 3675. 675. So same 3675. Now tell me surplus.
2895, sir.
Amma 2A.
2895.
Right. 2895. Surplus is 2895. So that is excess of income over expenditure. Right. All or surplus. Okay. 2895. Guys, everyone got the same answer? Guys, everyone got same answer? Okay. Guys, completed everyone till income and expenditure account. Everyone got surplus same 2895.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now we should prepare balance sheet for this year. Okay. Yes, guys, we can prepare. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2013. Okay. Yes, this is 2013. Right. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2013. Yes, this cash in hand is there now. 2595. What is this in receipts and payment account? Closing balance. Okay, so this is closing balance, nothing but cash in hand. Closing cash in hand. Cash at bank. Both one is the same. How much? 2595. 2595. Okay, guys, understood? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So for this purpose only we prepared receipts and payment account again once again, because receipts, all payments given in the problem, but closing balance of cash has not given. For that purpose, we prepared. So we find out 2595 is the cash in hand closing balance. The cash in hand closing balance we should mention in the balance sheet. Okay. Yeah. Next, government securities. Tell me how much? Government securities how many, guys?
2500, sir.
2500. 2500 is new. Right. Government securities 2500 is new. Old how much?
10,000.
10,000, sir.
10,000. Old and new both should add, because balance sheet means as on the date, what is the value, what is the financial position, what is the financial status as on the date. Right. So that is the reason we should know the total values. Right. Right. Government securities 10,000. 10,000 plus
2500.
government securities 10,000 plus 2,500, 12,500. Government security is 10,000 plus 2,500, 12,500. Next,
Furniture, sir.
furniture. Any adjustment is required on a furniture? Can you tell me?
Yes, sir. They give.
Yes, furniture and fitting for 1,475. Am I
Yes,
right?
sir.
That is old one. 1,475. It given in the old balance sheet. That means that is old. Okay, old value. And this year furniture
400, sir.
400.
400, sir.
Correct. See, 1,475 last year, and this year furniture 400. But old chair it is include furniture, no. So you have to write like this: 1475, that is old one, plus new one 400 minus 100. Guys, understood? Huh? If not
Sir, why
understand, please let
100,
me.
sir?
Amma,
Why 100, sir?
100 is there, no. Old chair, sale of chair, sale of old chair, book value 100.
Yes,
See,
sir. We have.
it is a chair include furniture, no. That chair it means one of the furniture part, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The table, chairs, and whatever the all combined. They are saying furniture. But out of 1,875 furniture, 100 worth sale, 100 worth of chair, old chair sold out, right? So old one 1475, new 400, but and sale 100. See like this, ma. Old furniture that is given in the balance sheet 1475, right? Given in the old balance sheet, right? And new furniture, new furniture 400, right? Sale Sale of old chair 100. Okay. So now tell me total
1975, sir.
1475 plus 400 minus 100.
1875, sir.
18 ah? 100
Sir,
also
17.
1775 nana.
Yes, sir.
1475 old value, old furniture, new furniture 400 minus 100, no,
775.
minus 100. So that is 1775. Okay, that is furniture. Guys, this is working out. If you want, you can write this also. Old furniture given in the old balance sheet. Old balance sheet. Old. Okay. New furniture 400. Sale of old chair 100. Sale no. So you should deduct it. Sale of old chair you should deduct. Girls, understood?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Roll number 17. Are you there in the class? Roll number 17. Okay. Roll number 7. Roll number 5. Roll number 5. Ma, roll number 5. Roll number 5.
Yes, sir.
Are you in the class? Why you are
Yes.
not responding?
The mic issue, sir.
Huh? Show me your notes, Amma. Roll number 5. On your video and show me your notes. Just I want to know how much you completed. Huh? Are you writing?
Yes, sir. I'm writing, sir.
Just show me then. On your video and show me, Amma.
My camera isn't working, sir.
It means you are not writing.
No, sir. I'm writing. I'll show you tomorrow, sir. My notes.
Sure?
Yes,
I'll
sir.
check, guys. I'll check every notes. First, I'll
Okay,
check notes. Then I will start next problem in the class. Okay. So government sector is completed. Furniture completed. Next what, Ray? Library books. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Library books. How much, Amma?
1000, sir.
1000 old. New.
1000 old balance sheet, sir. New 300.
Yes. 1000 plus 300. So 1300. Okay. Next. Library books completed. Okay. So cash in hand completed, government securities completed, library books completed, furniture completed. Yeah. Any outstanding? Subscription outstanding. So guys, given in the adjustment now. Okay. 3 subscription outstanding how much, Amma? 325. That asset no. Not yet received, but outstanding. Outstanding subscription. How much?
325, sir.
325. Okay. Outstanding subscription 325. Next, anything outstanding? Outstanding interest also is there, no? Outstanding interest on securities
150, sir.
150. Outstanding interest. Guys, are you following?
Yes,
Could
sir.
please.
Yes,
Outstanding securities how much, Amma? 150.
150, sir.
Any outstanding still? No. Outstanding expenses, printing and rent. So that is liability side because expense no. These are outstanding subscription, outstanding interest on securities. These are the incomes. So incomes outstanding means asset, not yet received. We will receive to be received. Okay. Outstanding subscription, it is income. Subscription is income, but not yet received. We will receive in future. So that is the reason you are treating as a assets. In the similar interest on securities also. Interest on securities income, but not yet received. Right. We will receive in future. You are treating as asset. If any expenses, expense outstanding paid, to be paid, right, to be paid, we will pay, so that is liability, right? Outstanding rent how much?
100, sir.
100. Outstanding rent 100. Outstanding printing
75.
75. That's it, outstanding, right? Yeah. Given capital fund how much, Amma?
15,575, sir.
15,575. Yes. So capital fund 15,575. Next step, what we will do? What we are following for capital fund?
Surplus, sir.
Amma?
Adding surplus.
Perfect. Plus surplus, adding surplus. Plus 28. This much, no?
95.
Eight. How much total? 15,575 plus 2895.
18,470, sir.
So that is 18,470. 18,470. Okay. Now tell me the balance sheet total. As for my calculation, 18,645. 18,645. This side.
Yes, sir.
assets-
Correct, sir.
Correct, huh? Nice.
Yes, sir.
18,645. It also correct. Because I'm doing Excel now. So automatically, if you select the all amounts, it's showing total. Some years, right? Because I'm doing in Excel, automatically it shows the balance, total balance. So total balance sheet total is 18,645. So everyone got it, guys? This is liabilities. Okay. Guys, any doubt in this? Please ask me if you have any doubt. Everyone wrote, guys.
Yes, sir. We wrote. Sir.
So what about others, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Shura. So shall I stop share screening?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there are so how many? 35, 36 students. Okay. Guys, understood now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So if you don't have any doubt, leave the class. Or if you have doubt, you can ask me.
Sir, attendance.
Attendance. I will download. Amma. Attendance.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Attendance. I will download from my system. Okay. I will mention. Okay,
Thank you,
guys.
sir.
Because of you attend the class, did you get benefit, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you.
Thank
Guys,
you, sir.
one
Bye,
second,
sir.
one
Thank
second.
you, sir.
Hold
Have
on.
a nice day.
Guys, hold on 1 second. From tomorrow onwards, right? From tomorrow onwards, so we will conduct add-on course 3 to 4. Okay, add-on course 3 to 4. That is organizational behavior. Okay, so till now you are leaving the college at 2:45, but from tomorrow onwards you have to wait till 4 o'clock. So your timings, college timings till 4 o'clock. You have to be there. Last hour, that is 6th hour. From tomorrow onwards, you are taking organizational behavior, your add-on course. Okay?
Sir, for that exam will be sir.
Exam also.
Sir, attendance also.
You are giving attendance also. Attendance and exam, it is like normal subject. You are conducting exam, you are taking attendance, you are giving attendance, you are
How
maintaining
many,
one register, Amma.
sir? How many months course, sir?
That is 30 hours. Sorry, 20 hours. Free of cost. You are providing free of cost. You will not charge anything.
Sir, it's from 4 to 5.
No, 3 to 4.
Sir,
3 to
3
4.
to 4 we have DT, sir, from tomorrow.
Huh?
Ma'am told she'll take a class 3 to
No
4.
classes, no other classes, only add-on course, that's it.
Okay,
Inform.
sir.
So just if anybody want to take your class 3 to 4, no, ask them to can ma'am, you have just tell inform we have add-on course for 3 to 4. So for second years add-on course,
Sir,
final years
in
self-study course.
CC codes we took organizational behavior only, sir.
Amma?
For CC codes, I took organizational behavior only, sir.
Okay, good. But though you attended, but this class you have to attend, you will get attendance and you have to write the exam. Right, we will and we will conduct exam. You should pass also.
Sir, what if we have resonance practice?
Result practice after the class, after all classes. Or
Sir,
before classes or after class.
certificate will be given, sir.
Ma, certificate also given. It is reflected in your memo.
Okay, sir.
So that is the reason you are conducting exam. You are taking class free of cost. You are charging nothing. Okay. So you are maintaining register also. Okay, yes.
Okay, sir.
Right. And one more thing. So on 6th PTM, right, already informed. Okay. Maybe 5th, 6th on PTM and 5th TCS company, they are coming to our college. So that is the reason you have to prepare some models. Okay. You have to prepare some models. We should show to PTM, in PTM to your parents as well as TCS team also. So that is the reason you
Sir,
have
what
to,
model, sir?
yeah, models. See, it is the best practice of the department. Best practice of the department means it is some kind of uniqueness. So our TCS, first collaboration with TCS company, right? Become business process management, collaboration with TCS company. That is uniqueness. Next, and so our intention to start the course, BPM is started, the intention to get the job in IT field, IT sector, right? The same feature they don't have other department. The BPM started, business process management started with the intention to get job, right? To get job in IT companies, software companies, IT enabled service companies, right? For that purpose, so supporting giving by TCS company. 99% they are giving support and they will take at least 50% or 60%. Rest of all, if you get job in other companies also, you can get it. No problem. Right. See, take example, your super seniors. Nearly 35 students they got selected out of 42. Their strength is 52. Out of 52, the 10 students went for higher studies, PG, MBA or MCOM, right, in business schools. Right. So now they wrote how many? 42. Out of 42, 35 students they got selected in TCS. Right. Even now present final years, Sumana batch, your next seniors, already they got selected two members, Sumana and Tinu. They got selected in Delight. Yesterday also they got offer letter. So with this, if you really good at subject, right, definitely after completion of your graduation, before taking your certificate, you will get jobs. You will get offer letter before getting certificate, right? And IT companies, but with this specialization of banking and insurance, accounting and finance, banking and insurance. Banking and insurance is the specialization in the field of IT. Specialization is banking and insurance. And industry experts, they are industry experts, right? Visit our department, right? They will explain about the work culture, organizational culture, work practices, right? Performance appraisals, working environment, all those things they will explain to the students. It is interaction with the industry experts, right? Interaction with the industry experts. That is also uniqueness. That is best practice. And one more uniqueness is experts of industry. They are coming to our college. They're trained teachers. Okay, TOT, train of teachers, train the teachers. So they are providing training to us, and we were teaching to you. There are 8 specialization papers. 8 specialized papers, that syllabus designed by TCS company, right? The syllabus designed by TCS company, that syllabus they are teaching us first. Again, you are teaching to you. So that is teachers training, right? Teachers training program. So these are all uniqueness of the department. Okay, so these should be reflect in your model. These things should reflect in model. You have to prepare, take initiative. Okay, prepare, and Purnima madam is in charge. Given work, allotted work to the Purnima madam. So consult Purnima madam and work under madam. Okay, the finally I will select it. Select. Okay,
Okay,
guys.
sir.
Anything you want to discuss with me?
No, sir.
Okay, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Right. 1 second, guys. Anybody, please, this solution share to your class WhatsApp group, Nana. Anyone? Anyone, please share to your class WhatsApp group. Okay, because who are absent, no, at least they can write it in their notes. Roll number 5, will you share it? Roll number 5. Roll number 5.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll share it, sir.
Good, nice. Please do it, Amma. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Nana. Bye.
Hi, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Miss you, sir.
Bye, Namrata. Bye, Manisha. Bye, everyone.
बाय अरे कोई शेयर कर दो रे नोट्स
Yes,
तू
please.
करती बोले ना रे
अरे उन्हें
ए मैं
please,
लिख नहीं रे
क्या है बाप तू करती बोल के वेट कर रही हूँ मैं
अरे फेंक रही हूँ. अरे ओमकार करता. ओमकार.
हाँ ओमकार करता मैं नहीं लिखी रे
क्यों
कैसे
नहीं
शेयर
लिखा
कर
रहा
किधर लिखना बोल मेरा
नोट्स
नोट्स घूम गया रे मेरा नोट्स
में
मेरा भी सेम. अरे मैं तो मेरा नोट्स दी ना रे मनीषा.
क्या
अभी
रे
किसका नोट्स घूम गया किसका नोट्स है रे
ये मेरा
मेरा
नोट
नोट्स
मनीषा
घूम
को
गए
दी रे. मनीषा का मेरा नोट मनीषा के पास है.
हाँ क्या
सच बोल मनीषा अभी
ये मेरा घूम गया रे नम्रता उन्हें इनकम्प्लीट है उसका नोट्स उन्हें नहीं लिखी
अच्छा रे कोई तो भी शेयर कर दो रे
हाँ रे पूछेंगे ग्रुप में
तू ही शेयर करना रे. सर तेरे को बोला
ये
मनीषा.
चल
कल
अरे
पूछता
हाँ
रे
रे
मैंने.
मनीषा ही करना रे
अच्छा
अरे तू करती ना
अरे
कभी सर
सर
पूछ
क्या बोल
सर
रहा था अरे
इनकम्प्लीट है पूछे तो मैं
कुछ
तेरा ही नाम बोल
यू
दूँ
नीड टू वर्क अंडर पूर्णिमा मैम फॉर गेटिंग सिलेक्टेड क्या बोल रहा
समझ में आया तो बोल दो
अम्मो
शायद वो प्रोजेक्ट कुछ बोला ना रे उसके लिए
अरे ये अभी 3 to 4 क्या क्लास रहता रे कोर्स का है क्या वो
हाँ कोर्स का कहते हैं
वो सब लोग करना क्या
करना
अच्छा सर्टिफिकेट मिलता
सर बोले ना मिलता बोल के अरे सीसी कोर्स का मिले रहा किसी को सर्टिफिकेट
नहीं मिला रही अभी
गला
तो
सूख गया
सही को ऐसा
नहीं मिला रे.
अरे क्यों नहीं आ रहे रे तुम लोग कॉलेज को
मैं आती कल आज सॉरी कल मेरा अच्छा
कल
नहीं था
हॉलीडे है
हैं
कल संडे है ना
अरे आज संडे है रे अम्मो कल
अरे यार
मंडे है
सैटरडे रे
रे गवार आज
नहीं
संडे है रे
संडे છે
ओ
नमू किधर है नमू?
मैं क्या
इधर
कर
ही
रही?
किधर
अरे
है?
फिर ये डीटी का एक्स्ट्रा क्लास कैसा रे? उन
अरे
ऐसे
तेरे को
सिखाती
होना
बोली ना
रे,
अच्छे से।
तेरे को
आओ
होना।
मेरे को भी हो ना।
मैम से पूछेंगे,
मैम ले सकती क्या 45?
ले सकती शायद।
हाँ पूछना फिर मैम को 45 देती क्या करके।
चल कॉल करेंगे, करो अभी।
ए क्लास में पूछेंगे कल। कॉल करके क्या
कल
पूछते हैं?
डीटी है?
क्या है कि नहीं मालूम।
रहता रे
उसका
डीटी,
डे ऑर्डर क्या है?
कल डे ऑर्डर 1
शायद
रहता।
1 है।
हाँ
कौन है?
हाँ 1 है।
fuck.
क्या कर रही मनीषा?
तेरा वेट कर रही
कुछ
हूँ।
नहीं रे ऐसे ही बैठी। हाँ तेरे को मिस कर रही मैं।
अरे
अच्छा,
2 पीरियड है रे डीटी।
हाँ कल
दो
मैम को
पीरियड?
पूछेंगे फिर।
हाँ
मैम
फिर 2
45
पीरियड
देते क्या
अकाउंट,
कर।
फिर बिजनेस का लास्ट में।
रे
अच्छा,
अकाउंट
2
2
पीरियड
पीरियड का दिन अम्मू।
मर गए
फक हो
कल।
गया मेरा।
रिलीज हो गया मेरा तो। और भी मैं
क्यों
धीरज
क्या?
मेरे
का
को तो
नोट्स रख लेती वहां कल।
अरे तू नको, मैं रखती रे, प्लीज रे, तेरे
अरे
को
क्या
मेरे
ऑलरेडी।
को
रे?
पूछता उन्हें तो किसी
अरे
और का पूछ जब जब तक। मेरा
ठीक
तो
है।
रिलीज कर देता। मैं आज का नोट्स भी भेजने बोला उन्हें मेरे को।
अरे
मैं
मेरे को लास्ट
मैसेज
टाइम
करे
शिवा
सर को
अच्छा
नोट्स नहीं
नहीं
भेज
है
रहे
रे
बोल
आज
के।
प्रॉमिस
क्लास
कराया
में।
ना मेरे को लास्ट
मैं
टाइम।
तो भी लिखी थी।
अरे मेरे को लास्ट टाइम प्रॉमिस कराया, मालूम ना, स्टाफ रूम में जाके।
हाँ हाँ
चल रहे बाप, मैं जा रही, बाय।
राइट मैम
हेलो।
भी।
बाय
कल
सैम।
मैम पूछेंगे।
बाय रे, कल मिलेंगे।
हाँ रे
हाँ,
कल में।
तेरे को मिस कर रही बाप
अरे
सैम
तू
मैं।
किसके अकाउंट से बात कर रही है?
उसके
हाँ मैं
साई।
साइकिल कार्ड से बात कर रही।
वही तेरा नहीं दिख रहा इधर।
वही मैं उसके अकाउंट से बात कर रही।
अच्छी बात है।
अच्छी बात। हाँ अच्छी बात है, बहुत अच्छी बात है।
ए चुप
बहुत
ऐसी।
बहुत अच्छी बात है ना।
है? अरे ईशा मैं ज्वाइन करने बोला रे बाहर है तो।
अरे हम
मालूम,
कुछ बोले रे, रुक हम कुछ बोले तेरे को अभी, कई को ऐसा
नहीं
कर
नहीं
रहा।
ईशा
मजाक कर रहे हो?
मालूम रे मजाक करते।
ठीक है रे, फिर तू फील होती, हम कुछ नहीं बोले ना, मुंह भूल जा, कुछ नहीं बोले अब तो।
दिल की बात बोले बट तू फील हो गई।
हम लोग भूल गए।
हाँ।
ठीक है रे, बाय।
बाय
बाय
गाइस।
बाय ब्रो। बाय बेब्स।
बाय वेट, बाय
बेब्स,
ब्रो।
इनको क्या हो गया आज?